Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add a phone number to your Binance account. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Binance account, then click on this icon here at the top. Go to account, click on it. Now scroll down, you will see here account and click on security. Now scroll down until you see phone number, this one. Click on manage. Now, as you can see, we have here add phone number. Click on it. And you can add your phone number from here. So for me, I will use this one and click on get code. Now you will receive a verification code in your phone. Okay. So this one, you have to add your code now. So mine is 63. Okay. After that, click on submit. And as you can see here, now this is my phone number. Okay. If you want to change it, you can click on this pen or you can delete it from here if you want. Now go back to security. And as you can see here, the phone number is here. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.